Hey there, Supalama here. Just getting off of work, 12-hour shift, so I'm a little tired, but I'm going to be trying to pick this Sergeant Asa Abloy challenge lock by Masterkey25, aptly named Green Belt, but from the feelings I'm getting out of this, it's definitely not Green Belt worthy. It's also a gentle nod to our belt system that we have within our subreddit to promote advancing and learning new skills to become better pickers. So if you're interested in a big vast community, very helpful people, go on and join that sub. Any questions will be answered. Ask anything you want, really. Community is really awesome. Anyway, this lock's been a big pain in my ass for the past few days. If I pick it clockwise, I only get a few clicks and that's it. I get nothing. I've actually gotten farther picking counterclockwise, and I have no idea why, but I'm very curious to see what's inside this lock. So I'm going to try and pick it on camera here for you guys and do a gut, but let's see what I can do here. This lock has had me bouncing around between 3 different spool pins, constantly dropping, very easy to overset, and it's just one thing after another. So that was 2 and then 1 I got a little bit of motion on. And you kind of have to manually counter rotate in order to get something out of it sometimes. I'll just reset. There's 2. There's 1. There's easing off tension, barely holding the tension wrench. And there's another on 1. That feels like 4. A little bit more on 2. It's very easy to overset. I'm pretty sure the key pins on this are all standard, from what I was feeling every time I would overset it, but super easy to overset these pins. It's nuts. Now on pin 5, very stiff, but a little bit, there we go. Some good core movement there. Get a little something on 2. Click on 2. Then click on 2. And check 6 again. I'm not even sure if it's a 5 or 6 pin lock. I have no idea. The key's mummified and I haven't opened it yet. Little counter rotation on 1. Bit of a deeper false set. That feels like 3. Click on him. Nothing more on 3. Nothing on 1. 2 I'm getting a little something on, but I'm not sure if that's something to worry about just yet. I'm not getting anything. Oh, I think that was a click on 3 or 4. This lock is quite fun. It's been a pain in my backside since I got it. That's a little bit of counter rotation on 2, feels like. And there we go, that's open. That's a lot less fight than I had before. I'm very shocked. Very shocked. Last time I picked this, it was just before I turned on the camera, and I was sitting there for a good 10 minutes. Anyway, there it is, open. Just gonna readjust everything here. Okay. Very curious to see what's inside. Actually, let me unmummify this key 1 second here. Tape's not coming off very easy. Okay. I don't plan on gouging into the key like other pickers do. I'm just gonna cut off the... Okay, there we go. There. Just came off just like that. And there's our bidding. That's actually some pretty nasty bidding on there too. Lots of highs and lows. Hopefully it works. And it does. Doesn't really like to turn left. There's a bit of hang up. But if you can get it to go. Oh, no, it doesn't want to do it at all. Oh, there it goes. Okay. Yeah. Nice. Okay. Phillips. Yeah. Not a bad start to the day. Getting one of these challenge locks out of the way. This thing's been holding up a few other locks I've been working on. I just wanted to get this one done and over with because it's just, I tell you, I was sitting here last night picking this thing for probably a good 2 hours on end, bouncing between, I think it was about 3 spools, just continuously dropping or oversetting something. Nuts. But I would really like to see what Masterkey's put in here. I have no idea why I couldn't ever pick it clockwise. I only ever got it counterclockwise. Get in there. No. Alright, fine. Okay. Oh yeah. I bet you I was oversetting a lot and hitting those extra pins. I could have sworn they were all standards. I wonder if he just put a standard up front just to mess with me. Yeah, standard. That's also standard. That one is not. That one's got a deep serration in it. That one also has a deep serration. More of a spoolie type on that one. And that one's got a deep serration as well. Okay, what do we have in the plug? Oh yeah, that explains a lot. Okay, I'm gonna use Masterkey's actually here. I want to show these off real quick. Masterkey sent me, along with these locks, these 2 beautifully handcrafted lock picks. One's a shallow hook, the other is a deforced diamond. I absolutely love deforced diamonds, so this will be my 6th deforced diamond in my stock, and they're absolutely gorgeous. Love the finish on them. I have no idea what thickness they are, but I'm pretty sure they're thinner than 20 thousandths, and they just glide through the locks and the feedback is phenomenal. So anyway, back to this lock. Very deep undercuts on 1, 2, 5, and 6. So this was a 6-pin. Very deep. And a very strong ledge on all of them. Very well done. And 4 and 5 look completely clean. Yes, they are. Completely clean. Okay, what do we have up top? It's a bit crunchy on the 3D printed follower. I'm thinking there's going to be a T-pin or something in there. This might not work out as good as I wanted it to. Tweezers. Oh yeah, this is not coming out nice. Come on. It's getting caught up on something. I don't know what though. I can already see a really nice cut. Oh yeah. That looks like a modified ASA barrel spool. And in fact, it is. Very nasty. Not nice, Masterkey. Not nice. Looks like a steel spring. I'm wondering if that's what I was hung up on as well. This looks like another modified ASA barrel spool. Yep, it is. And there's a copper spring hidden behind that. And this guy, ooh, really short on this one. What is this? This standard serrated pin. That looks like a, yeah, it is a steel spring. I have to get myself some new followers. That would explain the deep spool. Very, very deep spool. Look at that. Very nice. And very sharp ledge at the bottom too. So that's definitely going to grab into the, actually no, he was in a standard chamber, I believe. Yeah, so he's not going to grab into the ledge, but that would be nasty. And that looks like another steel spring. What is that? I don't even know what that is. It's a very long spool, I guess you could say. With a very, very small lip, and that would have definitely caught in that ledge on 5. That looks like, yeah, another steel spring. And sorry guys, I'm a little under the weather as well, so last pin is, looks to be another one of those modified ASA barrel spools. Yes, it is. Very, very nice, very mean. I bet you that's another, yeah, steel spring, but definitely different. Every single one of these springs are different in their own way, aside from just the material. They'll have different coils and things like that in them. Oh, up top, what do we got? Through the camera lens, I think I see some threading, but let's see what the pic says. 6 smooth, 5 smooth, 4 smooth, 3 feels smooth. Yep, 2 smooth, 1 smooth. So everything is in the plug there, nothing at the top. Okay, can't wait to see this thing all put together. Actually, I'll get a close up on these pins first before I put it all together again. Very, very nice. And these deep cuts in these key pins really messed with me. Very sharp. So if I overset, that's definitely what I was feeling. I was probably stuck in those quite a lot. Okay, so there's the key pins in. Most of it is below the shear line, but the important ones are where the undercuts are here. Those ones are going to be a little funny to hold in there. Oh, come here, you. as far as it goes. Okay, so there are all the driver pins installed, and they are a work of art. Look at these things, absolutely beautiful. And every single one of them did its job very, very well. Everything was very, very grabby. That's absolutely nasty, and I can't believe I got through it that fast. That's absolutely amazing. So, thank you, Masterkey, very, very much for sending that, actually that whole package in. I really appreciate you sending me those lockpicks as well. I absolutely love them. And I'll definitely keep working on the other locks you sent me. No SLA on anything else on those. I'm just happy I got through this today. So, thanks, Masterkey, and thanks for watching.